Hey guys, thanks again for following us on our social media. This is Lupe from Home Entertainment. Today I bring you to one of our projects that we recently finished. This is a business here in McAllen, Texas called Texas Card House. For this project we did a total of 13 TVs, we did audio, we wired all their cameras. This is a really cool social area with poker tables, and obviously they got a bar. It's kind of a sports theme environment, so you get to watch a lot of football games and fights and all that stuff here. So the client really wanted to showcase the ability to turn everything on with just a click of one button, the audio with a click of one button. So today I'm going to show you what we do here with Control4. So Control4 is part of the automation system that we use, and you'll notice I've got a total of, I think, 15 TVs in this setup. So to play audio, basically what we have to do is just click on audio, and then we select our source, Pandora, and then let's click on some Drake, why not? And then from here we can raise and lower the volume. So the audio will start playing right now. Now, as far as audio for this setup, because it's not that large of a room, we have 4 speakers mounted in the ceiling. We have, they're hard to see because it's kind of dark. So we have some pendulum speakers. These pendulum speakers are by Klipsch. Beautiful speakers. You can see them hanging over there in the corners. So there's 2 here in this area, the poker area, and then there's 2 here in like the hangout spot. Aside to the audio, again, we did the TV stuff. So there's a total of 15 TVs surrounding the area. Everything is controlled again by Control4. So to control the TVs, check this out. We go back to the home page and we go to, let's say, for example, TV 1. What do we want to watch? We click on Watch, Direct TV. To make it easier for the client, what we did is we selected, we pre-programmed channels for them. So by clicking, for example, ESPN, that'll turn on all the TVs. That'll turn on all the TVs to the specific channel that we want. So we'll turn on ESPN, or we'll turn on, for example, Channel 5 for local sports. We'll turn on basically anything that the client needs. We'll start seeing the TV start to turn on right now. So everything again is controlled through Control4. It's a really cool setup. You see the TVs powering on now. And again, everything's pre-programmed with those specific channels that the customer wants. Again, Channel 5, Channel 4, your local stuff, also the ESPNs or pay-per-view fights. So everything's set up again through Control4. You can see the Control4 application here is controlling everything, which is really, really cool. If we wanted to, for example, change the channels, we were to go to channel 23, for example, you'll start seeing all the cable boxes on the TVs change to channel 23. It does it sequentially, one by one, so it takes a couple of seconds, but it'll start doing it from all the TVs and they'll all start to work. Like for example, right now the ones behind us, if you want to turn around, Alex, you'll see that the ones behind us already changed. The ones over here are going to start to change any second now. See that? So as far as the surveillance here, we did a really, really, really cool setup for their surveillance. There's no area in this business that you don't have cameras. Obviously in the private areas you don't want to do that, but everything's covered. I won't go that much into detail about the surveillance system, of what type of system we use, but it's very, very high tech, very, very cool system. We also took care of the network here, which again, amazing network, commercial grade stuff, which is the stuff that we do and we offer. If you notice up in the ceiling, my technicians hit all the wires. They painted everything so that it blends into the ceiling. There's nothing that's, sticking out, anything that looks obvious. So we try to take care of the look also. So again, this is Lupe from Home Entertainment. I want to thank you again for following us on our social media. Again, follow, share, like, comment, and subscribe to all the stuff that we do. Ask questions if you guys want. We'll try to reply. This is Lupe again from Home Entertainment. As for me at the showroom, Sergio or Ricky will take care of you guys. Okay? Bye bye.